Come over. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Good. Drop, 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 drop. It's alright. Movement. Go. In and out. Good. Drop. One more each side, right. Go. Drop. Last one. Go. Good. Drop. Go. Get out there. Good. In and out. In and out. Good, right. Good, good, good. Drop, 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 drop. Good stuff. You can see. Go. Up. In and out. Good. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Drop. Good. One more each side. Go. Good. Forward. Good, good, good. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Drop, drop, drop. Last one. Last one. Go. Up, up, up. In and out. Good. Good, right. Good. Drop, drop, drop. 9, 8, 1, go. Go. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Drop. Come on, right. Come on, right. Go. Good. Last one this side. Go. Good. Last one, go. Last one, go. Go. Good. Out. Drop. Step. All the way across. Good. Now push. Good. Right away. Good, right, good, good, good. Drop. Go on, you got 2 more. Push, push, push. Movement. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Drop. Last one, last one. Push, push, push. And rest. 3, 2, 1, go. 2 left, right. Good. Try to go left foot first. There you go. Push. And right. Drop. Push, 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 push. Up and back. Go. Go to the last one. Good. And rest. Fine. Set. See it's going. Look at that. You say good day. And go. Good. Drive, 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 drive. Good. Drop. And again, push, push, push. Good, right. Movement. Oh my god. Bloopers. Last one. In and out. Good movement. Good, 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 good. Finish it. And rest. So for this one, let's start with good one. Ball's going to play it into you. One. Drop back. Drop again. And then you swing back. Now this time pass. Drop one. Drop. Down. Pass it. And come forward again. Drop. Fall straight. And then drop. Fall. Got it? And then drop. And then stand up. And then one. Got it. Drop. Drop. Left turn. Drop. 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 Good. Last one. Drop. Good. Drop. Up. Turn. Balance. Make sure when you're going, that especially when that drop comes half, make more space. Try to get your home to the line, your close, and then play. Compared to putting a pass and something up. Make that more space, more time. Round, go, step, go. Drop, step, turn, play, forward. One. Drop. Good. Got it. Good. Drop. Dips. There you go. Way to fix it. You bump. Fast. One more you try. One. Drop. Two. Second. One. Drop. Two. Good. Forward. Dips. Touch. Turn. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 1. Drop. Roll it. Turn. Play. One more round. Balance. Good. Touch. Turn. Good. Drop. Good. Good. Drop. One. Good. Turn. Play. Last one. Drop. Balance, focus, good, drop ball, touch, good, turn, finish, last side here, 1, you got it legs, come on, move it, go on, drop, touch, get there, turn, play, switch, to the side, second, 1, middle, 1 foot in, drop ball, back foot receives, play in, and then come forward, 1, back, in, drop, back to the end. Got it? Question?
Nope.
Ready? Got it. That's why I was holding it. Give it time to drop. I did have a tougher one planned for you today, but I was like, ah.
Aww.
Yeah, let's make sure you spot it.
Yeah, and I have a phone.
Okay.
That's true, I don't know.
Ready?
Oh.
Pass first, your ball. Set, and go. Drop ball, and out, good drop, good go, good, fast, and out, good, one more each side, drop, and out, good, right, and out, focus, drop, and out, good, and out, good, not bad, focus, 1, and out, good, drop, good, 1, and out, good, good. Come on, 1, and out, drop, good, focus, 1, and out, you got it, good, last one each side, 1, and out, good, right, last one, 1, and out, stretch, go behind yellow, set, and 1, good, go forward, win, drop, win it,
See? I told you.
Who wins a header like that?
You threw it short.
You. But why are your hands here?
Blocking my
Why are your eyes like this? All right, when you go, hands here, drive through. So even if the ball is short, you're stepping and then going through it. Number 2, keep your hands low. All right, and keep
I run like this.
This is true, but you gotta keep your mouth closed and your eyes open.
Why I don't have it.
That's why we gotta work on it. Center back. Center it back. Ready? And move it. 1. Good. Go. Good. Drop. Win. Good. Win. Control it. Lefty next time. Drop. Behind yellow and 1. Good win. 2. Good. Drop. Win. On the ride. Control it. Win it. Good. Play. One more your side. Come on. You got it. Set. Pop. 1. Go get forward. 2. Good. Drop. Focus. Get there. Win.
Right here.
You got it. Good. Drop. Last one. Behind and back. 1. Focus. Good. Drop. Win. Good. Win. Not terrible. Good rest. Not bad. Not bad. Just some. Okay. All about the timing. So when I go ahead and try to get around, or actually win the header over there, we get around. When you get around, we're trying to find the ball floating in there. We gotta make sure, don't throw it. We gotta make sure we're finding it and we're taking that touch forward. Not skipping and then stopping it at our feet. Try to take it forward so we can go ahead and actually build out afterward. And then trying to hit our next pass. So after we win the ball, one, move it, now throw it, time it, behind, step, and then we play, okay? We're trying to get it in front of it. Okay? And then on this side, use your left foot, right? Ball's in the air. Movement, touch. Great space in front. Now we step in, now we play. You understand?
Yeah.
It's important to get that ball on that outside foot compared to trying to control it like that.
But I did pretty good.
You know, everything's debatable these days.
No, and I think that's the best I've done. With those things.
Okay, I'll give you that. Here you go, ready? Go, one. Go forward, two. Drop, win, time it. Go, get around, win, time it. Not bad, play. Go one more each side, one more each side. Behind, and go, play, one. Go forward, win, good. Drop, find it. Yes, right, win, get there. Not bad, lefty. Last one, girl, behind, and then play. One, good, focus, two, good, drop, win it, get up. Yes, get there, come on, get up. Control it, play, finish. Okay. One more round.
Another one?
Yeah, one more round. You only did one, you only did two, so. Set, and go, one, go, two, win, good drop, get up. Go, well done, find the ride. Not bad, play. Good drop. Good, and great, good. Win, step, good, drop. Find the ball, right, get up. Yes, come on, get here, settle. Good, play. Not bad. One more each side, set, go, one. Balance, two, good, drop. Win, right, good. Settle, right, good, lefty, come on. Get around, last one, set, one. Bounce, two, good, drop, win, right, good, settle, and terrible. Thanks. Grab a drink. Did you get a ball at your feet?
No, you said you start, like I start with the ball, like with you, like me.
You're gonna start with the ball.
So like you start.
Yeah, then I'm gonna start with the ball. So we're looking for the ball. First one, you're gonna do simple touch. Step. Yeah, you're gonna come forward. Play here. One. Touch here. Play again. And now we're gonna turn what? Turn wide. Step. Strike. And that's it. Come back. Thank you. So first one, all by yourself through. Come forward. Touch. Get around your red cone. Touch forward. And then we're trying to finish near approach.
Does the whole ball have to go around the red cone?
Yes. Can't shoot. Questions?
You missed, by the way.
It's my weak foot ride that I've probably shot with my left foot maybe 10 times in the last 2 years, maybe.
Is that your bad leg?
That's a bad knee. So I'm just scared. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All you.
Oh.
Terrible. You gotta get forward. If you need an extra touch, take an extra touch. Set, go. Good drive. There you go. Check. Good, fast. Movement, touch. Good, touch forward. Drive. Go. Touch. Drive. Eyes down. There you go. Forward. Check. 1, 2. Get there. 1. Good. 2. Deal with it. Touch. Touch again. Eyes. Last one. G back. Set. And go. Touch. Good drive. There you go. Cool. 1, 2. Balance. Touch. You got it. Big touch. Eyes. Ooh, wasn't bad though. Tell you what. Go. Big touch. Good touch. There you go. Come. 1, 2. Good. Turn. Touch. Drive. Almost a great shift. Almost. Yeah. That. Go. Touch. Good. Finish. Not bad. Come over. Get there. 1, 2. Good movement. Touch, turn. Good. Touch again. Not bad. Last 2. See what you got, girl. Set and go. Touch. Drive. Not bad. Come on, come on, come on. Touch. 1, 2. Good. Touch, turn. Hips. Hips.
Got the water bottle.
Hips. Close. Your hips is facing here, and you're trying to wrap all the way around.
I should have taken another.
You should have took another touch. Last one, Roddy, and get out of here, girl. Come on, you got it. Tired legs. You're just dead. Set, go. Touch, drive. There you go. Come on, 1, 2. Don't miss it. Everyone's watching. Everyone's watching. Touch. Good, big touch. There you go. Drive, bang. Oh my God. Grab 2 balls.
Do I have to make both of them to be done?
Oh yeah. They gotta be bangers too. Okay. Go. Good. Come on. 1, 2. Go. Good. Turn. Big touch forward. Good. Eyes down. I'll take it. Good stuff, Riley.